In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add products to subcategory in Shopify. In Shopify, what many people call a subcategory is usually handled with collections. The idea is simple. You create a specific collection for a narrower group of products, like hoodies within clothing, and then you make sure the right products get placed into that collection. The easiest way to do this, and to keep it organized long-term, is to use an automated collection that fills itself based on a tag. First, create the collection that will act as your subcategory. From your Shopify admin, go to Products, then Collections. Once you are on the Collections page, click Create Collection. Now give the collection a clear, specific title. For example, if this collection is meant to hold all hoodie products, name it Hoodies. Using direct titles like this keeps your store easy to manage, especially as you add more collections over time. Next, set the collection type. Choose Automated. This is important because automated collections update themselves, so you do not need to manually add and remove products one by one later. After that, set the condition for the automation. Choose the condition that checks product tags, and set it to product tag is equal to hoodies. This tells Shopify to include any product that has the hoodies tag and to exclude products that do not. At this point, the collection is ready, but it will stay empty until you tag your products correctly. Go to your individual products and add the tag hoodies to each item that belongs in this subcategory. You will do this inside each product page in the tags area. Save your changes after adding the tag. Once the tag is applied, those products will automatically flow into the hoodies collection because they match the condition you set. A helpful tip is to keep your tag spelling consistent. Tags need to match the condition exactly, so use the same wording every time for reliable results. That covers everything you need to know.